Okay, you want me to do it? Hold up. I came correct. Every one of these broke niggas I see, they looking like a bunch of, look like some step checks. All I see is everybody looking, but they rubberneck that look like some see-through, some Windex glass. I can see right through. Everybody's trying to contain what they really think about you. Relevance is what you're not majoring in, but when you try to come at me, you realize who's going to be beating you in the near end. I came at you with 100%, and maybe not a flow or two, but I can know anything. Even my kid sister could probably surpass you. You try to surpass me, and you're at your downfall. And I'm the only one who's really ready to resort you back to the times where you could barely crawl. Now, understand the game plan. One, I can beat you and then pursue you in any type of career that you try and plan through. Number two, I can do anything that you say I can't do and then do it even better than you. And strike three, too many people can sit there and even consider me the greatest, but in all honesty, I just speak the truth, and we aren't even related. That's the game plan, but don't you understand the man? Don't try to understand the boy, but understand the man. I keep it 100 with you, but I'm not going to be the last man standing. Let's be realistic here. This ain't the Monique show. This ain't the Mario or the Jerry Springer show. I'm just here, the one voice that's ringing in your ears so loudly so. Common sense will teach you a couple things. Realizing what you did and what you didn't do. Because I'm still looking at you and I'm laughing kind of hard too. I'm trying to keep my composure by sitting here freestyling in front of you. But at the bottom line of it all, I've been there, done that, and already surpassed you at that. So let me get this before I have to get the strap. So somebody give this kid a pacifier because I'm pretty sure that's the only thing he's good at sucking at. Gang.